Yo guys, so we're discussing something, you know, and for some reason I should not probably speak English in this Facebook page. I should only speak English on my YouTube account and not on my Facebook because my la my language that I will use in Facebook is Filipino instead of English, but I'm making this video for a reason. Like, I've been struggling with something like with the no not challenge. The no not challenge. I'm probably gonna be starting 30 days from now on, and so that way I might be able to have more energy and be motivated. Since I'm not motivated, bro. Like, I'm always unmotivated. I have no energy. I have nothing, not everything. So you could imagine of like, bro. Like, do you guys even see the places? Like, this is always the same place, right? Hey, yo, what the heck? I hear something, bro. What the heck is that? Bro, what? Haha. Bro, I'm joking, bro. I know you are the thing called the thing called the night dweller or something like that, when like some people go outside in midnight, you literally scare them up like you are freaking dangerous ASAP, bro. Like, show yourself, bro. My god, bro, is freak. Oh my god, bro, I didn't can see anything. Guys, why did I make this video, bro? For the 30 days no not challenge, but I don't think I can make it, bro. But no, I can make it, bro. I can make it. I believe in myself. I will start exercising and some stuff like that. I'll eat I mean, unhealthy. I will eat I will eat healthy foods instead. This is weird, bro. Oh, ouch. Something bite me, bro. I'm on my bike. Probably. What been what even bited me, bro? Bro, this place is really stinky, bro. But for me, this place is the only place where peace exists, bro. Like, there's no people here. I can record here without any distractions. So, back on the main topic, like, I will start my no not challenge 30 days, and I will post it on my YouTube channel, the progress that I will make, the videos, stuff like that, and my day in life, stuff like that. The real reason why I make this on Facebook, the real reason why I posted this on Facebook is because, some people might not be able to see it on YouTube, and that is just a nonsense, bro. So maybe some people might see it on Facebook instead, since I get more. I mean, the algorithm gives me more views on Facebook instead of YouTube. I will also create my own Instagram account, even though I'm 13, so stuff like that. I also make my TikTok account and stuff like that, and maybe you guys know it, bro. Just from 30 days now on, I'll start it now, bro. I will not give up. I will believe in myself. But also, I'm thinking something, you know, what would I look like in 10 years? I mean, 15 years or 20 years or so on and so forth. Maybe I will look something different. Also, if I have some time, I will also post this on YouTube. I'll try at least I might be able to get more attention. And maybe I will just wait, you know. And patience equals more success. Also, I don't know what the heck am I doing here, bro. Like, yes, I said it before, bro. I said it before. And I'm not gonna go somewhere else right now since I'm gonna go home. Or I'll go rides again, bro. Like, it's not literally raining right now. Also, I would probably I'll probably upload consistently right now on my YouTube channel, Facebook channel, stuff like that. Just support me, guys. I know this might be cringe, cornball and stuff like that. Like, this is not even top. Yes, you guys will say that, bro. I know that. Even on Facebook, YouTube will be more worse, bro. Like, YouTube has the most stupid comment section ever. Like, most of teenagers, like, and kids, even adults, are brain rotted. Like, bro, that's insane. Wish me luck, guys. If in 15 years I don't succeed or not get 1 million, or I mean, my goal is 100,000 subscribers. I'm grateful for that. Maybe in just 15 years, I'm grateful for that. If I only got 100,000 subscribers on YouTube or followers on Facebook or any other social media account, what will they even look like? Like, will they look something different? Like, man, if I don't get 100,000 subscribers and followers, I'm a failure. I'm just a loser. If that doesn't happen. Also, I'm gonna be... Oh, shit. Oh, no. Guys, I will be ending the video right now. Oh my god, this place, bro. Someone is biting me right now. Holy Jesus, guys. Oh my god. Okay, I'm ending this video right now. This is for right now, bro. Ants is biting me. I will freaking be in pain.